Okay, let's look at the solution for Test Your Learning 2. So, although this problem sounds complex, it's quite trivial. So, we know that we will be given the total number of cents. So, the first thing we'd want to do is to get rid of uh, all the dollars. In other words, I want to see how many cents I would be left with after I take out as many 100 cents as possible. So we will say remainder cents will be the cents I am given modulus 100. Alright, if you recall modulus, it simply takes what you give it and sees how many times it can divide by the second number, and whatever remains is what you get. So what this does, it tells me in remainder cents how many cents I'm left after I have taken out as many dollar bills as possible. So now I need to determine how many quarters are in those remaining cents. So available quarters will simply be what I have in remaining cents, integer division 25. Right? So the number of cents divided by 25, however, it's integer division because I only care exactly about 25s. Alright? So that means that if I have 26 cents and I do integer division 25, it will return 1 quarter. And likewise, if I have 26 cents, right? So if I have 25 cents, it will return 1 quarter. If it has 26 cents, it will still return 1 quarter. And if it has 20 cents, it will return 0 quarters. So that's all I need to do. Get rid of the dollar bills and see how many quarters are left after I have done that. Alright, so let's check our code. Obviously I need to return the answer, so return available quarters. Okay, so put a comment, return results. Okay, let's run that, and I get all true. So once again, step 1, get rid of the dollar bills, and then based on the remaining cents, see how many quarters we can get from that. And that's what we return as the result. Okay, great. So that brings us to the end of Test Your Learning 2.